In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Southwest Airlines points. If you want to send Rapid Rewards points to someone as a gift, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your web browser and search for Southwest Airlines. When the results appear, click the correct official Southwest Airlines link to make sure you're on the company's real website. This is important because you'll be signing into your account, so always double check that you're on the official page before entering any information. Once you're on the Southwest homepage, look to the top right corner and click Log In. Go ahead and sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, you won't be able to access the points gifting option, so this is an important step. After logging in, click My Account. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Rapid Rewards activity and account features. From there, look for the option that says Gift Points and click it. This is the section Southwest provides for transferring points as a gift to another person. Next, choose the amount of points you'd like to gift. Take a moment here to confirm the amount before moving on, especially if you're sending a larger number of points. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to checkout. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's details. Fill in the recipient's first and last name, their Rapid Rewards number, and their email address. You'll also have the option to include a personal message, which is a nice touch if this is for a birthday, holiday, celebration, or special occasion. As you enter the information, make sure everything is accurate, especially the Rapid Rewards number and email address, because mistakes here could delay the gift or send it to the wrong person. When everything looks correct, click Checkout. At that point, you'll proceed with payment to complete the gift points purchase. Before submitting your payment, it's a good idea to review all the details one last time, including the number of points, the recipient information, and your message. And that's it. Once the payment is completed, your gifted Southwest Airlines points will be processed. If you found this helpful, you can always replay the steps and follow along at your own pace.